Today, we bring you the update you've all been waiting for. The new season of your favorite historical drama, yes, the one that rules our screens and our hearts, has been delayed. But why? And when will the first epic episode finally arrive? Stay with me, because I'll reveal all the official updates, shocking reasons for the delay, and even some secret details about brand new characters that will blow your mind. The delay and drama. Friends, I know many of you are upset. In my last video, I told you the rehearsal meeting would be on September 9th and shooting would start by the 11th or 12th. But listen carefully, this wasn't my personal claim. This was the news broken by Turkish journalists themselves. And of course, we all thought history would repeat itself, just like last year when Mehmet Bozdağ began the season on September 9th. But destiny had other plans. This year, Bozdağ faced powerful reasons to push everything back. And the biggest reason? The cast was not complete. Yes, my friends, Bozdağ wanted fresh, powerful faces for this new season. Many new actors have joined, but here's the twist: before. They completely new to historical dramas. That means they don't know horse riding. They don't know archery. They don't know sword fighting, and so intense training was needed. For example, the new actor playing Osman Gazi still needs time to fully transform into the warrior prince. And the new actress for Didar Hatun, she's been spotted training hard on horseback, with even leaked videos showing her preparation. Most of the cast is new, except for a few old names like Aladan, Gonca Hatun, Turkish, and Orhan. Everyone else is starting from zero. That's why, unlike past years, the cameras couldn't start rolling immediately. But wait, that's not all. Bozdağ's own father sadly passed away earlier this month. This heartbreaking moment forced him to pause everything for 3 days. Meanwhile, the new set wasn't ready either. But here's the exciting part. Because of a massive time jump, Bozdağ wants to show Osman Gazi and his family more powerful than ever. For this, he is building a brand new, majestic residence and preparing stunning new costumes for Osman, Orhan, Malhon, and Holafira. This season will be grander, bigger, and visually breathtaking. Now let's get to the part you've been waiting for. According to Burçin Almatash, the official confirmation is here. Shooting of the new season begins on September 20th. Yes, it's delayed by a week compared to last year, but now it's set in stone. The rehearsal meeting will happen on the night of September 19th or 20th, and then no more excuses. The cameras roll. And here's the timeline. Trailers will begin dropping from October 1st. The first episode will air on October 8th, or latest by the 3rd week of October. So mark your calendars, my friends. But that's not all. A new power family is entering the story, Şahin Şah Bey and his son Cengiz Bey. Just like we saw Yakup Bey and Mehmet's father-son duo in the last season, this time we'll witness another powerful partnership. And guess what? A famous Turkish actress has been chosen to play Şahin Şah Bey's wife, Didar Hatun, who will also be Cengiz's mother. Get ready for new rivalries, new alliances, and explosive twists. Other new faces have also joined, though their roles remain top secret. Once we have official news, I promise to share it with you first. Meanwhile, don't forget, another historical giant, the Mehmet Faith Sultan series, just dropped its Season 3 trailer, and its first episode airs on September 16th. Bozdağ will never let his drama fall behind, so expect trailers and promotions for this new season to come fast and strong. So, dear viewers, are you ready for the rise of Orhan Gazi? For Osman's empire to reach new heights? For breathtaking battles, betrayals, and victories? Let me know in the comments, what are you most excited to see in the new season? Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned.